Right, so you got a saxophone there?
Yes.
Okay, can you show me how do you make sound from a saxophone? What is it that makes the sound?
The reed and the air blowing into it.
Okay, so that's the reed. All right, so how does the reed make sound?
It vibrates while you blow air into the mouthpiece.
Okay, can you show us? Can you give us a honk? Now and again. Wow, and so there's, what are the keys? And the key, show me the keys and the holes and things. So what do they do?
When you press these, it plays a different note.
How? Why does it play a different note?
Because a different amount of air is flowing through the instrument.
Yeah, it changes the length of the tube, and that's what changes the note. Well done. Can you give us a tune?
Hot cross bun?
Okay.
Oh, I know.
Bit more? Wonderful. So sound is vibrations.
Yeah.
And those vibrations are made by the saxophone, by the reed. And that's the reed there. Thank you, Lauren.